Yes everyone, so we're here today for the VIP event to be the first people to ride Aviktas. This isn't the press event, so we can't film on ride today. We will bring you on ride POV. So get it away, please. We will bring you the on ride POV on the opening day, on the press day, which is next week. Today we just feel like ride reactions. We get to go on the ride. Yeah, we can't film in the ride area today, sadly, since it's probably as close as we're going to get filming from out here. But we'll get some footage of the ride in action with people on today for the first time. Well, they had staff on the other day, but it'll be the first sort of public riders. So yeah, let's get in the queue. It looks like a very big queue, to be honest. They have sold a lot of tickets for today. Yeah, so we're all waiting now to get into the hub to ride Aviktas. We'll show you the state of the queue in a minute. There's a lot of people there, look. She starts there, all the way around, and right into the hub. Yes, we've got a bit of a wait, but it's going to be worth it to go on the right side. I mean, at least we can dodge off and go to the toilet and stuff, so it's all right like that. How cool is that? Does need to get a go on that very soon. Everyone's just filming it all right, look. We're out of the main queue, we're into the what's it now, just about seat. Yeah, so we're in the hub now in our little sort of holding pen. It's tested again, everyone has to get the camera out. They've got the boys ready to sort everyone out, look, all the security. This has been such a long wait though, so my only sort of like criticism is how long they've kept us waiting. They could have had the ride time open a bit earlier, like 11 instead of 12. It's sort of taking the novelty off it now, everyone's just sort of fed up of waiting now. Yeah, sure that'll change when we get on the road though, hopefully. It's a very high.
I think this is the smallest
Why are we waiting? Wrote the theme tune, sang the theme tune.
You could DJ it.
The remix of Aviktas track, 6-7, 6-7.
What's about Hannah, aren't you? 6-7.
6-7, 6-7. There's people on it.
Well, be 550 for that.
Is that meant to fall off?
Happy Sunday, everyone! Are we excited? Are we ready for some swinging? Right, let's get the serious bit out of the way first. So, when these doors open, no filming, no photography, no nothing. When you're back in here, that's fine, but you're there, nothing. If you're one of these people that have got these super modern glasses, you can't bring them in once you can film with, alright? So that's the serious bit over with. You all clear on that? You all clear on that?
Yeah.
Good. Who's ready to swing to 138 feet?
Yay!
Who's ready for a fab moment of weightlessness?
Yay!
Who's ready for up to 4 Gs?
Yay!
Who's ready to ride Aviktas?
Yay!
Let's go with it then, guys.
Right, we've just come off our first go on Aviktas. We've got our little sort of first ride, like sort of certificate. Look at that. 6-day Keely's got the poster as well. Look at that. So yeah, that is unreal. Once you get up the very top as well, you're like upside down and weightlessness. And the speed that it swings at It's just unreal. I mean, looking at behind us, that is amazing. Only gripe is we're only getting one go each for our preview, £50 each, one go each, and we've been sent out the area. But no, but the ride itself, really good, really excited to get on it again next week at the actual opening. So yeah, definitely get down here, have a go. Such a good ride, and yeah.